Hey, Digitex fam! Welcome back to the channel, where we dive deep into everything crypto, finance, and all the digital skills that put you ahead of the game. Today, we're talking about something hot, and I mean red hot, that's about to shake up the crypto world. Yep, you guessed it. It's the Hamster Kombat token listing. And spoiler alert, it's got some serious problems. So, if you're holding Hamster Kombat tokens or planning to jump in, you've got to hear this. So what's the big deal? You might have seen all the buzz in the Hamster Kombat groups. The Token Generation Event, or TGE, and the listing are both set for September 26th. Sounds great, right? The tokens will finally be tradable on exchanges. But here's the catch, and it's a big one. You might be thinking, what's the problem with the TGE and listing happening on the same day? Well, the issue is that this gives zero time for users to claim their tokens before trading starts. Think about it. 50 million active hamster players scrambling to claim their tokens and send them to exchanges all at once. It's going to be a mess. Picture a digital Black Friday, but for crypto. And what happens when millions of users flood the exchanges at once? You guessed it, glitches. Exchanges and even the Hamster Mini app could crash or slow down. Remember what happened with Dogs and Notcoin? Tokens were received before trading began, giving people time to prepare. But this time around, it's like opening the floodgates all at once. So what can you do to stay ahead of this chaos? You need a game plan, and I've got your back with 3 easy steps. Step 1. Create a Tonkeeper wallet. This is where you'll claim your HMSTR tokens. If you're new to this, check out our tutorial linked below. Step 2. Set up an account on an exchange. Start with BingX because they were the first to partner with Hamster. Plus, there's a high chance of bonuses for transferring Hamster tokens there, just like what we saw with Dogs. Step 3. Get ready with Bybit. Now listen closely. Exchanges are going to be glitchy during the Hamster listing, and you don't want to be left out. Bybit is known for staying strong when others crash, and they're offering up to $30,050 in bonuses for new signups. We've got the link down below, so don't miss out. So there you have it. Prepare now, stay ahead of the crowd, and you'll be in a prime spot to claim and trade your HMSTR tokens without the chaos. And hey, once the token is available, we'll drop a step-by-step video on how to claim your tokens and send them to the exchange. Make sure you're subscribed, hit that notification bell, and be the first to get in on the action. Thanks for watching, Digitex fam. Drop your questions in the comments and let's keep the conversation going. Until next time, keep hustling and stay ahead of the game.